Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting to all who watch the video. I am Nurshahidatul Nisa Binti Faizulasma from SMK Bakai.
Hello, my name is Afiqah from SMK Bakai. Every school has a tall building. The school building is often a place for birds to stop and make nests. These birds drop by and throw feces everywhere, especially the floor in the corridors of the school, windows and notice boards outside the classrooms.
School workers every day have to clean the school environment that is polluted by bird dropping repeatedly because the bird will stop at the same place over and over again. These birds need to be chased away from stopping at the school building to prevent the school area from being polluted by bird excrement.
We have created an innovative invention known as the sonic bird repeller that can repel birds from coming back to the school buildings. Sonic bird repeller is equipped with a microcontroller with Arduino programming, PIR sensor, servo motor, and ultrasonic buzzer. The sonic bird repeller works to repel birds by detecting the presence of birds using a PIR motion sensor. This sensor will turn on an ultrasonic buzzer that birds don't like and can only be heard by birds. In addition, the sensor will also turn on the motor to move the rod wrapped in glowing paper to drive the birds from the top to the roof of the building. Shiny surfaces are also not favored by birds.
As a result of this invention, we have able to help our school cleaning worker to drive away birds from stopping in the school area and further reduce the workload of cleaning worker to wash bird dropping everywhere. Is it hoped that this invention will help more other users to repel birds from stopping in the area of residential building and school?